Alright guys, so obviously you're going to want to remove these screws. This is a universal application, so not every vehicle is going to need this to be done to it obviously. We're just showing you how to do it on this vehicle. Alright, so for this particular vehicle, there's going to be 4 screws holding on each headlight. Just go ahead and take them off to remove the bezel here, and the lights will pop right out. Most vehicles that use 4x6 headlights are going to have this connection. So all we're going to do is simple plug and play installation. Remove the old headlight and plug the new one back in. Now keep in mind the housing for these headlights may be different on different vehicles, so there may be some modification required. Alright, once you have your stock headlights removed, just go ahead and simply plug in the RGB headlights. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and feed our wire through and screw back in the bezel. Alright guys, once you have your headlights in, you're going to want to go ahead and wire up your control box. You could either do it to your positive, negative, or your ACC fuse.